How to do Amazon FBA product research with Helium 10. Is Helium 10 really helpful or not? What is the best way to find out? What categories are best to go with? And what filters you can use in Helium 10 to find out the best product? Please keep watching this video till end. Don't skip it if you want to understand something. Hi guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are fine and well. I'm 𝐒𝐸𝐴𝐻 from Easy Teacher with Fun YouTube channel, back again with a new video. In this video, I'll show you guys how to do Amazon FBA product research with Helium 10, how you can manage with Helium 10 filters, and what categories are best to go with. Before walking ahead towards our topic, I would like to request all of you guys, if you're new to our YouTube channel, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get more informative videos in the future. Let's get started.
Now we are at Helium 10 dashboard. You will need to log in at first. If you did not sign up yet, then please check out the link from the video description below to join it. Let's go for FBA product research. Click on tools and then black box. Here you will see filters and advanced filters. We can select marketplace from here. I'm gonna use Amazon.com because USA is my target market. Now we can do filters here like that. I'm gonna go ahead with normal categories. I would recommend you guys to use from those only. Please avoid dangerous categories. We can go with one category too, but I want to get some vast results, that's why I choose 6 categories. Maximum monthly revenue $100K USD. Minimum price 15 USD and maximum price 30 USD fine. Maximum review count 400. Review rating minimum 4 and maximum 4.4. Shipping size tier. Select small standard size and large standard size. Maximum BSR 50,000 fine. Number of sellers maximum 6. Fulfillment select FBA. Variation count maximum 3. Weight maximum 2 lb fine. Here are some more filters to precise search results. Click on search. And here we got the results. 200 plus products found. That's amazing. We can directly access price graph from here. It's not looking in consolidation. Let's see other graphs. Here we can watch sales graph. This is monthly revenue from this product. This is BSR, bestseller rank. Here you can scroll down and check products with single click. Find right product is not easy thing. So what you guys have to do, scroll Helium 10 all pages again and again to check products. Add Helium 10 Chrome extension to check more interesting things from the product. Let's open it on Amazon to check with Helium 10 Chrome extension. Click on Helium 10 Chrome extension. And here are some options where you can check it for profitability. You can grab this ASIN in your Helium 10, or we can do more search with X-ray. This is how you can check more details for the product research criteria you have. Let's open any other item. With Profitability Calculator, you can calculate your expenses and check ROI, net profit, etc. and etc. This is really cool feature in it. This is what will help you to plan vast. Let's check reviews with more deeply details. Click on Extract Reviews. Now here is what can help you to know the product quality, customer satisfaction, and ideas to bring better product than your competitor.
This is how you can find Amazon FBA products with Helium 10. I hope you guys did like this informative video. If yes, then please hit the like button, and if you have any questions, then please reach out to me on Instagram. I will definitely reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet soon in the next video. Till take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.